Hey, what's up guys? Tyler here with Secure Team. Just some amazing footage that I wanted to get up ASAP that I received that was captured in San Antonio, Texas just a couple of hours ago that was sent to me. Now, what we have here and what has been described to me in the email of the source who sent in this footage. The source was outside with his kids were outside, and he and his wife were on the porch, and the source of the footage, like many of you lately who have sent in some amazing stuff, is a viewer of our channel. And as this channel continues to grow, I have urged all of you to keep your cameras at the ready and have an eagle eye when it comes to things in the sky, because you never know when you'll capture something, and when you do, send it in to me. And that's exactly what has happened here. So this viewer of mine from San Antonio has been a follower for a long time. He has been a long-time UFO sky watcher, if you want to call it that. And he was outside and initially was recording what he thought was a UFO, a possible UFO, which you see in the footage. It's likely a bird, as there are